Ang project engineer ng DPWH NCR. Maraming salamat po, sir. Ay magandang tanghali po, sir.
Magandang tanghali po, sir.
Kasi sir, minamadali ako ng aming floor director, kaya mamadali ko.
The Japanese crested ibis. Its scientific name, Nipponia nippon. Named after
mo, pupunta ka kung magse-selfie ka. Saan? Sa calculator?
Meron.
Ha?
Camera.
Oo, hindi mo sinabi. Ang linaw mo tanda. Camera, oo.
Matatapos.
Inutil si Junjun! Inutil! Wala na tayo magagawa!
Awan, Junjun! Awan, Junjun!
Small shrines like this are everywhere.
Yun.
It's been almost 4 years, she says, and it's still so sad to come here and remember that they're gone.
Copico Cafe Blanca, Sprite, Wilkins at ng Ariel.
They hope this school gym, graduation banner still hanging, will have students again. This dusty piano will have someone to play it. And this nuclear ghost town will...
Plus, alertong pangkalusugan. Mag-ingat sa mapanganib na Ebola virus. Ang Ebola ay
which is the dish traditionally served to Polish women who have been wronged by their contractors.
Such a specific culture.
But that's not the worst thing. She's so depressed, no sex. Which is big problem for me because...
Our next player won the US Open Men's Singles Championship in 2001. In 2002, he won the Wimbledon Men's Singles Championship. Has now won 30 titles on the ATP World Tour from Australia.
Anong variant ng Dell with your full contact details. Sa likod ng sobre, isulat ang promo title, Dell Fabric Softener at area kung saan ka nakatira. Ihulog sa mga piling Mercury Drugstores o GMA stations nationwide.
1 million cash at marami pang papremyo. Pwedeng napamaskuha.
Our next Singapore swimmer has collected 10 career singles titles on the ATP World Tour. He is currently ranked number 7 in the world. Let's welcome from the Czech Republic, Thomas Berdych.
Naandyan din yung PEDSA eh. Ika-5th anniversary nila eh. Eh, 1918 yun. Kung bibilangin mo, talaga 1913
Ay, mabuti pa ibasahin natin. Kung meron kasi po silang imbita...
Talaga si Rina. May dalawang anak po kayo, no? Nasaan sila ngayon?
Ang isa ma'am nasa school, ang isa ma'am sa, pinatawag ko muna sa tindahan.
Ayun. Kaya bukas pa.
Asang bagyo kami kailangan mo, kapatid.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
September 2, pangalawang araw ng Desyembre, 23 days na lang, Pasko na. Lapit na.
Talaga, malapit na. At,
Lapit na talaga.
Tsaka meron welcome din natin ang ating mga...
We're going to be very, very quiet because she has no idea the show's going to go on. When these doors open, she's going to realize she's part of the show. So, she was back there, I guess, taking pictures
per hour lamang po yung naitatalang average speed ng ating mga Razor habang yung mga patungo ng Makati 17 kilometers per hour po medyo mas mahaba-haba yung mabagal yung dalo ng mga sasakyan